Good morning, Internet. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Happy Father's Day.
So, this morning I ended up getting a Father's Day present. It's the Ogio water pack. And since I was going out for a ride today, and figured I'd give it a whirl.
What an awesome gift that was.
I'm telling you, you know what's nice about it is that the ice that's in it is on my back, so I'm like actually really cool. I mean, it's almost like having a little cooler on my back.
Especially on this hot, humid day today, I'm so jealous.
It's very nice. It's nice to have that water. You just like a tube, you put it right in your mouth and take a drink, and good stuff, man. Real good stuff.
A must-have when you're riding in Florida in the middle of summer, right?
Right? I mean, anywhere that's warm.
Absolutely.
I thought it was going to be hindersome having it on the back, but the ice and the cold water is actually so cool on my back that it's actually very comfortable. It's also nice that I don't have to have my regular bag on my tank, because all my stuff was able to fit in the back. I mean, the bag is a little bit small. She got me the smaller one, but what was nice is it's lighter. The bigger one, the bottle was so big. The bag, the bladder, whatever you want to call it, was so big that I was kind of worried that it would be a little hindersome. Plus, being on these bikes, we usually stop a little bit more. So, you know, I would end up having to pee all the damn time if I drink that much water, probably.
So how's the weight of it? Do you feel like the difference of it, or?
No, it actually feels like I got a real light backpack on.
So if you wanted to give me a sip of it now, we can't because you're on the wrong side.
I need
right?
you on my right side because it velcros on the left and the right, but the hose itself is mostly to the right. It's set up for the right, so I should be able to hand off. We'll give that a whirl a little bit later. See if I could share my bottle. My hose, if I can share my hose with you. Yeah, so we're trying to keep this clean so I can keep this unrated, so you can be a good girl.
I'll be a good girl. You'll be my water boy while we're riding then, right?
Yeah, I'll be your water boy.
All right, I tell you, it's perks, I'm telling you. Oh, water boy.
Oh, yeah. Girl. Okay, so Velcro.
Unflip.
And as you can see, she's sucking away. Come on, before the light changes.
There you go. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I don't think I need one. I think I'd rather have you be my water boy.
Yeah, I think I'm going to take a quick sip. Yep.
That's awesome.
I'm telling you, take a sip whenever
Best
I feel like it.
Father's Day gift ever.
Yes, I'd like to thank my daughter. Are completely awesome, and my son-in-law, future son-in-law.
Mm-hmm.
It's an awesome gift.
Yes, it is.
And my bag is still zipped up in the back, right?
Yep, looking good.
Looking good.
Looking good.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Good, that'll tickle.
You tickle me, I'll tickle you when you're right.
Good luck. You can't tickle me.
I sure can. Eventually you'll give in.
Yep. So that's our quick review of it. I mean, as it moves along, after I have it for a couple weeks, I'll try to do another little quick review on it so everybody can have an idea on it. But
thumbs up for sharing. You could share. That's a good thing.
The sharing part worked.
Yeah,
I was able to share it with you. I don't suggest sharing it with your guy friends, but you know, your lady, a little bit of swap and spit, it works.
Yeah, now if I was sitting behind you and riding with you, I could go at it all day long with it, anytime I wanted to.
Oh my God, you could just grab onto the hose and just go at it. I mean, just grab it and go, you know.
All day long.
All day long, the whole ride if you were there.
Exactly. So
and I'd be okay with it because I wouldn't even have to do anything. You could just unstrap it and pull it right in your mouth and...
Yeah, exactly. Secure it back into place. We're good to go, man. Yeah, so it's great for dual riders too.
That's right. That guy wasn't gonna take his hand off that thing no matter what.
Oh, we should have went on the other side. Can we try to get it on this side?
Nope.
I could lean in like this.
It's still too far.
I'm kind of thirsty. Don't you dare. You're not allowed to have any if I can't have any. I'm making your ass stop at Burger King.
People are looking at us all weird. Come on, lady.
There you go. Thank you. I know.
It's like, what the hell are they doing?
What are they doing? I know. Thank you. The help.
It worked?
Yeah, it worked.
So it works on the left too, but you gotta get kind of extra
you gotta
close.
really get close, yeah.